Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm showing you how I made this delicious slow cooker chicken and rice recipe. This is a creamy, comforting meal. The chicken is full of the bone tender, paired with creamy, delicious rice. It's so easy to make. Let's get started. Start by seasoning some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with some spices including garlic and onion powder, paprika, dried herbs, salt, and black pepper. Make sure you season both sides of the chicken thighs very generously. Next, grab your slow cooker, then pour in some white rice. Add some melted butter, freshly minced garlic, chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to season with salt and black pepper. Mix everything together very well. Then we're going to place the seasoned chicken thighs into the rice mixture. Next, place the slow cooker lid on. Then let the chicken and rice slow cook on high for 4 hours. You can also cook this on low. This part is optional, but 10 minutes before the chicken and rice is done slow cooking, you can transfer the chicken onto a baking sheet, stir the rice in, and let it finish cooking. Then in the meantime, place your chicken under your oven's broiler to broil for 2 or 3 minutes. That way they can develop a golden brown color. If you don't have the time, you can completely skip the broiling step. I placed the chicken back into the slow cooker after it was done broiling. The aroma of this meal is so inviting. The chicken is very soft and full of the bone tender. This is a very comforting meal to make for this time of the year while it's cold outside. The rice is very creamy, soft and mushy, but it's a very good kind of mushy and it goes really well with the chicken. The chicken and rice came out absolutely delicious, and if you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.